We came on board. The most important thing that we put a focus in is the ability to transform most of the things that we do. So reform is one of the key issues that we have invested in. Especially we started with public administration reform, because that is the bridge within which you can address some of the policies, some of the programs that the regime has. And also we pay attention most on the community power. That is engagement with the community, trying to know what the communities are up to, what do they need, because we may not just sit in our offices and decide for people what they will do. So for that, we created what we call community development program, in which everything that has to do with those communities is taken to their doorsteps, and making sure that the communities are fully engaged in